Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida, and this is Scout's 330 LXF. This is a 2024, just arrived here at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you'd like to see this boat in person or take it for a sea trial, call my cell phone, 904-625-6146. But let's take a look around this boat first. I'm going to show you some of what really makes Scout a luxury fishing boat. When you first get on this boat, you can see just from the upholstery on here, from the appointments, from the hardware, everything that's on this boat screams luxury, screams heavy duty. You look at this boarding door off to the port side over here, and you look at the hinges that are on there. The stuff's just huge. Scout's an overbuilt boat, and that's what we like at MarineMax. We love to sell the boats that are high quality, premium, luxury. Another thing about this, when you look at the 33 LXF from the outside, it looks like it's going fast when it's just sitting there. The lines on these boats are beautiful. If you haven't seen this boat in person from the outside, you need to take a good look at it. So we're going to walk around the cockpit here a little bit, take a look. I'm not going to go down inside the head, but this boat does have a head compartment with a berth down below. Take a picture, take a look at some of the pictures on this side as well too, and you can see down below. First off, you see a nice double wide bench seat back in the back with an aft facing one right there. Great little conversation area or a place when you're riding out to the fishing grounds. This boat's a great fishing boat, but it's also a great cruise around boat, day boat, going out to the restaurants, whatever it is you like to do with your boating. It's just not hardcore fishing. It covers a little bit of everything. I already talked about the big boarding door on the port side. Huge T-top on this for a 33 footer. Extremely well finished off, LED lighting up there, speakers facing down towards the aft cockpit, shotgun rod holders, real easy to reach to. Even if you need to, you can step up on there. Look, you've got a grab handle here, you can reach up and you can grab those rods off there. Well thought out. As we go up to the helm area, this looks really good up here. The seat looks fantastic. A couple different ways that you can drive this boat. Obviously, you can stand right here at the helm, and so the ergonomics is perfect for this. You can sit on the seat, the footrest is in the right position. You can take the steering wheel, tilt it down. This does have joystick piloting on it, so putting it into the dock is going to be super easy to do. If you like to stand up and drive, not a problem. Flip up the bolster, put the steering wheel back down, still great fit. Hand falls right on the wheel and on the throttle. Air conditioning vent on the helm as well, on both sides. So obviously you're not going to cool it down out here, but that cold air blowing on you when it's 98 degrees outside, it really feels good. Again, down below here, helm and berthing area, but I really want to show you more about the bow of this boat. So you've got a stereo remote up here in the front. Awesome lounge seat, double wide, armrests on both sides. There's a table on the bow here that lowers and raises with the touch of a button. There are little controls right here on the port side. But again, look at the seating up on that. In the bow of this boat, comfortably 4 people sitting down. Your anchor windlass is tucked up underneath the locker up there in the front. Everything's so well. Drink holders where they need to be. You've got some holders here for the bow shade, so you can put a nice shade over the bow area. This boat's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. Give me a call if you'd like to see this boat, 904-625-6146. That's my cell phone. Give me a call.